Srangshala Tripura State Pollution Control Board Day Department of Science, Technology and Environment Bedek ni Chaitok Mumbai Rajakhor Agulini Laharo Khlaijaka World Environment Day Salno Rugai Kaisa Rally Rally Manjaka Tripura State Pollution Control Board ni Secretary Dr. K. Shashi Kumar Te Board ni Member Secretary Vishwakarma Karno Khobui Dalbidal Rungnok ni Pornes Rai Khonai Ro
A very happy World Environment Day to all of you. It's a very important day to see, like as a life form, we almost depend upon three things. One is air, the other one is water, the third is land. But unfortunately, these days, we are seeing all these three most important components, which we are in touch with every day, every moment, are being polluted constantly, mostly by anthropogenic factors. So we will have to sensitize the public regarding the importance of safeguarding the air, the water and the land. So the very purpose of this rally, celebration of World Environment Day, is to sensitize all of us, the society, to safeguard these three most important environmental components. This line, we have taken up cycle rally on 2nd of June. Today we are starting with this program. There are several other programs which are going to follow. All these programs are basically aimed at to sensitize the society to safeguard these three important environmental components. Specifically, we have to do away use of single-use plastic because it is causing a lot of detrimental effects. It has a lot of detrimental effects on the environment. We have to simply do away the use of single-use plastic. Single most important message we would like to convey, we would like to sensitize the public by conducting this rally with our future generation children. That is why aptly this year's theme is called, we are Generation Restoration. We will have to restore the land, we will have to restore the water body, we will have to restore the very air that we breathe. So aptly it has been named, the theme has been named, we are Generation Restoration. So I hope this rally will serve its purpose. Thank you.
Rajakhor Agulini Shimi Poromni Koktu Chini Khora